Oh, I'm playing with Henry on Terraria now. Okay. So, we're playing the Overhaul mod, which is really interesting.
It's weird. I'm scared.
Okay. Let me spawn in the
how do you
person.
roll?
Control.
Whoa! You dodged.
Oh, you can roll through enemies.
That's good.
Hey Zach, if you want to hop on Discord. Yeah, I'm on Discord with Henry.
Yo, that's so fun.
Okay.
I'm already a pro at this game.
Yeah.
I'm so good at this game. Oh! Oops. Hey, we should just we should keep this stylish. Here. I think the best one is on the 4th page, all the way in the bottom right.
That one?
Would you agree?
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know if it has the 1.4 one. They must have added a bunch. This is fun.
What the heck?
What?
Look at this.
Whoa.
It's right click.
So another thing you should do... Oh, right click? Whoa.
Oh, so you can do attacks with other weapons. Oh, that's sick.
Okay. Sorry.
I'll do this one then.
It's a pretty good one. So, next thing you want to do is get the Lamia wraps.
Yep. Is it LUM, like Lumnir? Or
Uh-oh. No. There's a bee.
How do you put it in?
Oh, just type wrap.
Oh, rap.
Let me turn my music down. It's better. Oh yeah, we still have the stylist. Do we keep her?
Yeah, we kill her.
I said, do we keep her?
Yeah, we kill her.
No!
Oh, what the heck? Oh, what the heck?
What the heck is that? What?
I placed the torch down!
What?
It's burning the house! What?
No! No! What is happening to our house?
It's burning. We gotta...
We gotta what?
I don't know.
Break the wood?
Your guy... Oh, gosh! I keep getting catching on fire! My guy runs back and forth.
Ash?
Oh my gosh, what? What's
So-
that place there? Okay, we cannot place it near the roof.
No.
We cannot.
Just make it out of stone.
Oh yeah, that'll fix it. Cause I placed it like right up in the corner, like I always do, or like. But it's everything started catching fire.
Okay,
Henry.
you should restart the server and take off cheat sheet. We don't need it.
Yeah, that's why. Oh, we never killed the stylist.
We can drown her. Or we could keep her. No, we should get rid of her.
I don't care. Either way, whatever you want to do. Why's your name Vance?
Huh?
Why's your name Vance?
It's a character from the book I'm writing.
Oh, okay.
Never mind. Apparently, stylist solo zombies.
So you recording this one too, Henry?
Yeah, if that's alright with you.
Okay. Oh, that's fine. I don't care. Just means I can't be as racist as I want to be. Can't let me show my true colors.
I'm sorry.
Oh, that was so perfect. What the heck?
What?
Dude, I was like fighting off these two Cthulhu, or just whatever the eyes.
Demon eyes?
Demon eyes, yes. And then a freaking falling star perfectly came down and killed them both.
Nice.
Oh, we can swim in this now, Henry.
Really? Yo, I want to try it. Of course, I'm stuck mining stone in a hole because I'm the builder.
Oh, is that a bee? Ah, no, get away!
Yeah, there's bees now, that other than the jungle.
That's annoying. I hate bees. They're so small.
I know. It makes sense though, like, there's bees everywhere. So just no flammable blocks then?
Yeah. I forgot I changed my roll to my mouse.
Okay. First night, kind of survived that.
Adventures, for sure. Dude, running around and like getting past zombies is going to be so much easier with the roll now.
I know.
Holy crap.
You just roll. Here, where are you at?
I'm going
Wait up for me.
to the left. Ooh, you can't touch the stupid Italian swarmer. Well, I'm gonna be here for a bit. I do 1 point of damage. I gotta click this thing 100 times.
Just roll through it.
Oh, I can just keep tapping it. It can't hit me.
I'll be collecting.
Oh, quit. Ready? What? What the heck? Huh.
I will succeed where you failed.
Well, now there's 2 vultures there. Have fun with that. Or the void. One just flying away. What the heck?
Hee hee. Oh gosh. There's a big hole.
Oh,
That's a lot of blood. Isn't there no gravestones?
dude, I don't think there is. That's great.
It is great, honestly. Stone brick, sound good? Or gray brick?
Yeah. It'll match me.
Yeah. Giga base.
Hey, I got 2 crystals.
Thanks.
Funny how far you can throw stuff.
Yeah.
I can throw stuff at you from a distance now. You'll never know. Dude, if you run and jump, you go pretty fast. Have you tried it? Holy crap, dude. Henry, just run and jump everywhere. Holy crap. Can I make the gap? Oh, Henry, I just jumped the gap.
What gap?
The sand gap.
No way.
I jumped it. I literally jumped it.
I'll have to try that. I'm gonna chop down some trees though.
What's that? Oh, crit. No, we have a little crit bar in the top right.
Yeah, I see it.
Holy
Yeah, we have to
dude.
break the tree and then the stump.
Oh gosh. I want water walking boots. I don't want to deal with the water physics in this new mod.
Is it bad to swim?
It's goofy. Oh, what the? That was gory as heck. I jumped and hit the ground, and I just blew up into pieces and blood went everywhere.
Nice.